Hi friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing some tips and tricks on how to grow and care for African milk tree. The African milk tree or Euphorbia Trigona is a perennial plant native to Central Africa. As a houseplant, the African milk tree typically grows between 2 to 4 feet tall and branch into a beautiful tree-like structure. This plant looks a lot like a cactus, but it is actually a succulent plant. It features triangular stems with 3 distinct sides seamed with ridges. African milk tree propagates easily from stem cuttings. The cuttings can be taken off the top of a plant, or you can remove a little arm from a plant for a clean cut. The sap of the African milk tree is toxic to both pets and humans and can be irritating to the skin, eyes and mouth. Let it callus for few days. This is a good way to prevent the cuttings from taking it too much moisture and rotting when you plant them. Any soil designed for cacti or succulents will work great, as this plant isn't fussy about its soil. Still, good drainage conditions are essential. African milk tree grows best with a soil pH of 6.1 to 7.8, or it may hamper the plant's growth. Now, gently insert the cutting into the soil. As far as lighting is concerned, African milk tree likes bright, indirect sunlight. A southern facing window works well for indoor growing, as does an outdoor spot that receives partial sun. Next comes temperature and humidity. This drought-tolerant plant enjoys a dry or arid climate and can withstand fairly hot temperatures. If your growing environment experiences hot summers, locate the plant in a spot with indirect sunlight or partial shade to avoid overheating. African milk tree doesn't need much water. Consider supplemental watering only if you are experiencing bad drought conditions. Otherwise, your region's normal rainfall should be sufficient. Indoor plants should be watered moderately once a week, but make sure to let the soil dry out between each watering to mimic its natural habitat. I guess we have covered all the main points. Thank you so much for being with me and watching this video.